Sunday business right now. I'm at Terraform Bar Restaurant. I heard some things about this spot, so I gotta see for myself, you know. I heard it's nice. I don't know. We gonna see. So come on, let's take a trip. Chef it up, nigga. It's nice in this spot. It look nice, bro. They got the docks over here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Fuck with this one. They got some ships over there too. Let me see. I gotta see what the food here for. I'm starving. I need me something to eat. Let's see what's going on here. There's too much going on right now. So much options. I don't know what to pick, bro. You know what? Wait, you know what? Nkwobi, am I saying it right?
Yeah, Nkwobi.
Nkwobi, yeah. What's that?
It's a Southern Nigerian native dish.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a nice one. You should try it out. It's fine.
I think I want to try it.
Yeah, it's fine. You should try it out.
I gotta try it. Where the waiter at? Come on, let's go find a waiter, man. I can't wait. Some of this Nah, yeah, you good, bro. Oh, my man right here, what's up, bro? Can I have a handshake? Good, man? Bless you. Chillin', I wanted to order this, Nkwobi, yeah. We call it Nkwobi in Nigeria. Okay.
How you want it spicy or you want to regular spicy?
Regular, not too spicy,
not
bro.
Too spicy.
It's regular.
Oh, you avoiding spicy?
Yeah, I'm avoiding that right now, bro. I'm staying away from that.
Okay. So that's the only thing you want?
Yeah, for right now, yeah, I'm gonna start with that.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, cool.
I'm gonna get you that.
Alright, bet. Appreciate it.
So time to sit down and wait for the order to come in.
It's amazing over here. Oh my God. Beautiful ass scenery. But I ain't gonna lie, I need me a drink right now. We going to the bar. Let's go. Bartender, man. What's up, man?
Yeah, bro, so
I need me something to drink, man.
Man, bro, just me, man. You know?
Need me a drink, yo. Bro, what's up? You want something to drink too? You might have to join in. What you want? You want something to drink?
I want a Heineken,
You want a Heineken? Alright, bet. My boy need a Heineken. See, he's getting ready. He's cooking up right there, man. What's that?
That's a lot of noise there. I think that's a smoothie.
I need one of those in the fridge. I need one of those in the cheese. Crazy. Bet. Let's see what's the vibes.
I'll tell you. What's really?
Oh yeah, he's cooking up. What you making over there, man?
A smoothie.
Oh, you making a smoothie?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, fine. What's up, like? What's the most popular drink that people come here and ask for?
The most popular drink people ask for here, whiskey sour, or fashion, strawberry margarita, like the mojito.
Okay, yeah. Damn, I don't know what I want, man. That's like 3 options.
Yo, you should take a tequila sunrise.
Tequila sunrise?
Tequila sunrise.
Alright, man.
That's the tequila based cocktail, right?
You said what?
The tequila based cocktail. There's a tequila sunrise.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do the sunrise. I'm gonna do the tequila sunrise.
Tequila sunrise?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm gonna do that. Can't wait, man. I'm trying to get lit, bro. But what's in the tequila sunrise, by the way?
Tequila sunrise is tequila based cocktail, all the way from Mexico. It's a combination of tequila, orange juice, and top granite. Top ice.
Alright, cool. I gotta make sure, I don't know what they put in the drinks. I gotta make sure, but yeah, man, let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah.
How much alcohol is in here?
There's like 40 ml.
Like how much?
40 ml.
Oh. 40 ml.
I probably have a kick.
I think I'm smacked over this.
Kick like a mule.
Yeah. Man, these spots trying to attack me. Shit, we can't get none of my tequila.
What is Africa? What you expect?
Oh, they been damn me. They been tagging me up. I'm not gonna lie. Spots been tagging me up. Yeah, sunrise, tequila sunrise. Woo, get out of here, fly. Get away from my tequila sunrise.
Sorry. Is it tequila sunrise, a combination of tequila,
Yes.
orange juice, top of grenadine with a fresh slice of orange juice by the side.
Thank you, man.
Feel the vibe, bro. Come on.
I don't have it.
Tastes good.
Tastes nice.
Oh my God.
So refreshing.
That's what I needed. That's what I needed, man.
Feel it, right? Feel it.
It's just like, it just gave me that like, that sensation like.
I feel the tequila
This
as
is
well.
fire.
Feel the sweet
Yeah.
grenadine. I feel the orange as well.
This is fire, bro. This is fire, man.
I appreciate it.
You do your thing, man. Tequila sunrise.
That's what it is.
Don't play around, man.
Yo, what about my Heineken?
Okay, I'm
Oh yeah, you can't get my boy. You need the Heineken. You need the Heineken, bro. Yo, tequila sunrise had me distracted, bro. Tequila sunrise had me thinking about other things, man.
I was thinking about beach
Word.
in Mexico.
Just reminded me where I'm at, man.
Yeah. Got a nice view too.
This shit is fire, bro. I'm not just saying this to say this shit actually tastes good. Like, I wish I could experience this right now.
Probably one of those cocktails you never stop.
Nah, for real, bro.
You just keep going. So you can't go no more.
Whoa. Whoa. Might need another one. Don't finish. I might need to get another one, bro.
Feel the vibe of tequila sunrise.
Got you dancing some
Tequila sunrise got something going on in my system.
salsa looking hip hop vibe.
What's this sunrise doing to me? It's doing something to me.
Sunrise clean your system.
What you put in this drink, bro?
Sunrise clean your system right away from your kidney, you know?
Put in some salsa spice.
Sunrise.
That's
Afro.
our rule, bro. Come on. Let's go, man.
Nah, this is fire. Damn, man, you sure you want a Heineken, bro? You want to get tequila sunrise?
Get some Heineken on the table.
Oh, all right, back.
Voila, my nigga.
You got your Nkwobi.
Oh, shit. Nah, this
Enjoy and give me the feedback of the food.
I will. I
If
definitely.
it's not nice, you just let us know.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to tell you the truth. This shit is trash. Don't worry. Shit look good, though. Can't wait to see what's on today. What's going on with the eat? Hey, get the fuck out of here, fly. Yo, these fly, yo.
Those flies be fucking around.
These flies, you just gotta make them your friends at this point. Where they just be pulling up like it's
These
they.
flies be fucking around. Honest review.
It's good. It's bad.
We use a lot of beer with this though. A lot of beer goes down with this. It tastes a lot different with beer.
Nah, it's bad. These spies wanted to stop disturbing my meal, bro. God damn, I need some water. I still taste some spice in this bitch. Still tasting spicy hot.
So what can you say? We Africans.
Valid though.
What it tastes? Tastes Mexican?
Nah, I don't taste Mexican.
It tastes
It
African.
tastes like where it's from.
It tastes African, right?
Hell yeah.
All right.
That's good though.
So the meal is predominantly made by Igbos.
Oh yeah.
So by like the culture that makes this meal is Eastern Nigeria, and it's for Igbos. They're the ones that brought it for the rest of Nigeria.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That shit hot as fuck. God, nigga,
Got you
sweating.
sweating.
Yo, I'll kill these damn flies. I need some fucking water.
Yo. Water. Water.
Bro, you know I needed a water with this meal. Ain't no way in hell I'm eating this without no water. This shit giving me hiccups. Oh my God. That shit hot as fuck. It's good though.
Yeah, but you feeling that spice? You feeling that spice, right? There's that spice to burn the bad shit out your blood. That's what a spice do.
Bro, this heat. Good time spot with this heat.
Got you sweating for real.
Oh, this shit is hot.
And guess what? He in this open air.
That's no gas.
That's open air.
Wind blowing, I'm still sweating. Bad.
Where you at with your plans is? I can take you to a whole other planet. Fuck your life, baby, and let's dance. You want me to get a little fat, what goes damn?
You know I gotta pay that bill this time. I wish I could experience all of this. Alright, so right now it's how much I'm paying for this exquisite meal I just had. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for having me, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate everything it was, man. You were cool with it, right? Yes, sir, of course. It's the chairman of this establishment, man. Thank you, man. You know, this drink was on the money, man. Thanks for having me, bro. Appreciate it. Of course, of course. Hope to see you soon. But sure, I'll be back, man. Yeah, thanks. All right, take care. Thank you, man. Take care, all right? She like me. That's up. Woo!
That was good, right?
Yeah, that was good food, man. They did their thing. Now we gotta go to our next mission, you feel me?
They ain't wanna hit my hoe. She want that bread for sure.